You have a house here. What the heck you worried about? We're divorcing. And then he just quiet gets. He do like this. Hi guys, good morning. It's still morning, guys. It's 10:47. I was upstairs because I was taking a shower and I'm done. And itong dalawa sumusunod. Sumusunod sa galaw mo, sumusunod. Sumusunod sa galaw mo, sumusunod. I'm going upstairs. I'm going to film and I will be right back. I will be right back. Dimples, come and follow me. I will be right back, Rox. Tignan nyo ito si Dimples. I will be right back. You stay down here, okay? No, Roxy, I said I will be right back. Roxy, I just said that I'm going back down here. You go down. You go down here. Down. Down. Get down. Get down. Good girl. No, wait. Yeah. So, yun. Hi, guys. Tapos na akong nag-edit. God bless me. What are you doing over there? What are you doing? Come here. Eat your breakfast, Misty. Do eat your breakfast. Dada will be here very soon. Yeah? Not very soon, but later. Later this evening. Dimplers, what are you waiting for? You're waiting for your dry food, are you? Tignan nyo yan. What are you doing, Dimps? What do you think you're doing right there? Where's your sister? Where's your brother? Hanapin natin, guys. Parang andito ata siya. Tignan nyo. Akala niya bigyan ko siya ng treats. Hala, andun yung bag ni Mama. What do you want? What do you want? Tignan natin, ano ba yung ulam ko kagabi? Yung ulam ko kagabi is shrimp. Anyway, so yeah, I did cook shrimp yesterday. Cajun shrimp and meron pang leftover. I think yun ang kakainin ko. It's so hot. You shower here, baby. You have a house here. What the heck you worried about?
Water pressure here. I gotta do something about that. I can't deal with that low water pressure crap. I need more force on that water.
Oh my God.
Nowadays, like the water hits you hard.
Hi, hon. That's why you don't like to do shower here, period.
It is true, hon. I don't like to shower there.
So what's the point of this house then?
Taxi!
Oops.
It has to be fixed. It's not something that can't be fixed.
You cannot fix that because it's like underground water.
It doesn't matter. The water pump is a water pump. 60 pounds of pressure is what you get. There should be plenty of water pressure for a shower.
Well,
The pipes must have a build up a line scale or something in them. So instead of a half-inch pipe, you only got an eighth of an inch of water coming through. So I mean, something's not right. Pipe small scales. Those pipes are gonna have to. What you gonna do? Change all the pipes? Oh, I have to get a descaling unit. For $500.
what are you doing?
Oh, just poured a cup of coffee.
Oh. Where did you get this shrimp with a shell in it? Because it makes the tender.
Or maybe from ShopRite, one of those two.
Hi guys, naglalaro po ako guys. Ito yan, mga kalaro ko. Mga kalaro ko yan. Anyway, so yun. At saka naghihintay lang ako ni Tami kasi papunta na dito si Tami. Magluto lang ako ng pork. So yun lang ang lulutuin ko. So I think Limi, I'm gonna call Tami kung anong kakainin namin kasi mayroon pa namang chicken dyan din. Okay, that's a good girl, Misty. That's a good girl. So now I'll give you some bunsi because that's a good girl, okay? If you eat your din, that means you're gonna get some bunsi. I feel bad for Roxy, guys, dahil ang ano siya, kapag hindi kumakain si Misty, madadamay siya. Hindi ko kasi bigyan. So yun, bigyan natin ng ano. Kitami, gusto niyang i-ano ko yung sasakyan kasi andun yung sasakyan naka-park sa parking space niya sa garage. So gusto niyang i-ano ko siya, i-transfer sa garage na dun ako sa gitna kasi dun gusto niya akong mag-park. So gusto niyang ipaalis. Sabi niya, alis ka dyan. Kunin mo yung sasakyan mo at doon ka sa iyo. So okay, let's go take to change the thing. And yeah, ilagay ko kayo dito. Saan ba ko kayo ilagay? Wala. Na, ba tumawag siya, oy? Yan yung style niya, guys. Nagpa-pretend siya na tinatakpan niya yung dry food doon. She pretended that she's closing it, look. It's like there's something wrong. She learned that from Misty, look. Look, she think that she is covering that food, but no. Naku talaga itong asong to. Look. What are you doing? So that's it. You just put it in the center, huh? I just put it in the side where you stuff. Ay, nako talaga ninyong dalawa ba? Do you have to do that? Is that necessary? Why you have to cover food? Like somebody's taking away from you. You just have your din-din. You just had your din-din, baby. Oh my goodness. Yan. Kakain. Sobrang messy talaga nitong mga aso kung kumain ba. Ilalak natin itong bathroom ay. Kunin mo yung nasa floor. Kunin mo yung nasa floor. Kunin mo, may isa pa. O, naku, dalawa na. Nadagdagan mo pa ng marami. Tingnan mo. Good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Eating the dry food. It's good for you. Not all the time. Wala pas dada eh. Hindi pa dumating. Inom ka muna ng tubig. Diyan yung fountain nila, guys. Yan, basa. Tulo-tulo ng wait ni mo. Pahirin ang imong baba. Wipe your mouth, eh. It's wet. Wipe your mouth. Ay. Yan yung Misty. Ang ginaw, eh. Ang ginaw. Ang ganda ng palibot, eh. Ang ganda ng paligid. What are you whining? What are you guys whining? Dada's here. Is that what you whining about? Okay. It's good. Is it close? Okay.
Big girl.
Give me that bag.
For what?
I go fight with the other rocks. Fight with the other rocks.
Why don't you just use this P-port on it?
I don't know, hon.
Kind of defeats the whole thing.
Oh my God, you're here.
Yeah, I look like hell, huh?
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
I have no time to take a
Look
shower.
at that. We kind of blue, right?
Yeah.
Because of the seating. I changed the
It's too
seating.
blue. The white is whiter. It's too much blue in it.
It's too much blue.
Yeah.
So I guess I'm going to change it.
Your first of all, skin tone's out of whack.
Maybe this one right here. Hold on. How about that?
I just darkened it. It didn't change the colors.
It's just, yeah, because of, okay, let me change it again.
What's that?
I guess that's the right fit.
Well, you can go by flesh tone. That's what you go by because it's a flesh.
Because I
effect.
like it's kind of bluish. It's bluish.
Yeah, you can do that in your editing.
No, I don't want to keep editing the color when I'm editing because I edit so much, put too much clips, and then the, you know.
Yeah, but that color is normal. This color is closer to normal.
I was teasing him, guys. I was teasing. I said we're not together anymore. We're divorcing. And then he just quiet gets. He do like this. He doesn't make much enough. But Roxy went crazy when I had my baby. She went crazy. She kept looking at us. Go. Yeah. Look at that. She's always have something to say.
I did. I said hello to everybody. And then they all got trees.
Look.
What are you doing? Rolling.
Yeah, we're gonna have dinner, guys. Tommy bring some food. He made some. When did you make this? The other day. I think that was Thursday. Is this a spicy sausage, John? No, this is not the one sausage that we like in Costco.
Some are hot, some are very.
And what is this flat down here? A pork. And guys, look at guys. He made some Spanish rice. And also he got something from ShopRite. This is fish. That's good, but that's fresh, right? That's not the old one. Yeah, but this is good. This is not bad. And this is the shrimp, spicy shrimp that I made.
Well, it doesn't need tartar sauce, but I like it better with tartar sauce.
Okay.
I don't know if we have it in here.
No, we don't have tartar sauce. We don't use it often. What's the point of buying it? And also, guys, a bag of spinach for some people that. Okay, for some people that like vegetables. No, because I can feel the thing is moving. The wood.
Are you kidding?
Yeah.
From somebody peeing?
No, it's not peeing, hon. It's just something here. No, you can hear like. Guys, Tommy yesterday received a package. Oh, that was today, right? I told you today. So yeah, he got a package.
This is just the cover for the tractor.
Okay. Ah, that's the cover. That's not the bag. Is expensive, yeah. How much is that? What kind of cover? Black, of course. Ah, it's in the bag too. Is it kind of like that kind of waterproof? For his new toy, guys.
Cover.
Yeah, you buy him a cover. It's just like a baby. You never buy a cover for your car.
I used to have a cover in my car. Really expensive.
Because for the other house, it's always outside. You don't guys have a garage over there to put the car, so. Yeah. Oro, white balance. I think that's what it is, right? You okay na? Are you okay na, little man? Are you okay na? You okay na? That's what they wanted and that's what they're waiting for. They're waiting for dry food. Look, Kuska. Following Dada, look. Always follow. Anyway, so mag-take tayo ng vitamins. I like these vitamins because ano siya, gummies at saka fruit flavor. This morning I don't take chocolate. I'll take another one. 2. Which is really good, guys. Drinking water a lot. Tignan nyo yung isa, guys. Buy a lot of... Do you need scissor? Okay. Because that's not easy to open, han. All of them are not really easy. Give me that one minute. What the heck is that? Matutulog na kami. Punta na kami sa taas. Look, tignan nyo guys, nakatingin. Sobrang nakakasad. Andun siya, nakatingin dyan. Look. Look. Look, nakatingin dyan. No, you stay down there. Night-night na. Night-night. Be a good girl. Night-night. Go night-night. Go night-night. You go sleep down there. Night-night. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye. Good night, guys. Good night. Kasi matutulog.